What is this called in English? Baguette. What is this called in English? Croissant. What is this called in English? Brioche. What is this called in English? Sourdough. What is this called in English? Rye bread. What is this called in English? Whole wheat bread. What is this called in English? Multigrain bread. What is this called in English? Pita bread. What is this called in English? Naan. What is this called in English? Focaccia. What is this called in English? Ciabatta. What is this called in English? Bagel. What is this called in English? Pretzel. What is this called in English? English muffin. What is this called in English? Cornbread. What is this called in English? Flatbread. What is this called in English? Barmbrack Irish bread. What is this called in English? Soda bread. What is this called in English? Banana bread. What is this called in English? Comment your answer.